even the commercial with the family, and I watched the different shows with the family that had seizures and they had to move to Colorado. Their commercial, although everybody's heart bleeds, and I'm sure you're not going to get much resistance for regimented medical marijuana to be passed, this isn't what that's about. And that commercial is very misleading. Let us move back to Ohio. I get it. In my heart, you know, all you have to do is watch a show on that, and you're for medical marijuana. That isn't what this is. And if this gets passed, we're going to be focusing on a lot more. It's going to be deaths. It's going to be problems with children, problem with addiction. Heroin's going to go up. There's a statistic right now in Colorado where I think crime's up 12% right now. There's all kinds of statistics. We could, like I said, that's those sheets over there filled with them, you know, and none of them is good. Nothing is, hey, you know, this is great. The reality is there's about 40 people in the state of Ohio. It's less than 1% of people are in our prisons for marijuana. Most marijuana encounters that and it's because, you know, heroin, meth is so prevalent, especially the heroin right now. The marijuana that local law enforcement comes across usually are incidental to an arrest. They're at a domestic, they're doing a raid on something much bigger, and then it's there as well. So no time at all, I completely reject that statement. It's very misleading. No time is going to be freed up so law enforcement can focus on other things. One of the things that I didn't even know about or didn't even think about, it's going to cause all local law enforcement in Ohio to retire our drug dogs. Because it'll affect the way that the dogs hit on certain kinds of marijuana, and whether you know it or not, the training and the purchase of those dogs are incredibly expensive for local law enforcement. Anyways, these are just a few repercussions that'll compound in all of our communities at a time when everybody knows that this heroin thing is a complete epidemic. We're continuously scrambling and fighting against this heroin epidemic when it's killing our youth. It's in the cities, it's in the rural areas. I can go on and on with the problems about that. We're using Narcan. We're trying to implement Vivitrol programs when people get released through our jail to save lives and reduce crime. And we have to deal with this. I don't know what better template that law enforcement, the Attorney General, and everybody can use in other states that are basically screaming at us going, don't do this. This is a mistake. So as voters, you have the right to say no to something that will not be good for our state. Please make the right decision by saying no on issue 3. Thank you very much.
Sure, thank you very much. Please.